gate opening automation kit is equipped with two 40-watt motors with a maximum rotation speed of 200 revolutions per minute that can open or close gates with a maximum weight of 200 kilos and a maximum length of 2.5 meters. The PNI MAB300 gate automation kit includes the basic components needed to put a practical access control system into operation. Control unit, two piston motors, maximum extension 300 mm, two remote controls, two fotocells, warning lamp, stop rubber and mounting accessories kit. The gate can be opened and closed from the remote control. The system supports the connection of other access control devices such as electromagnetic locks, retaining electromagnets, access buttons, access keyboards. Optionally, the system can be connected to a solar system or a 24-volt backup battery. The system can be set so that the gates close automatically after a certain time interval. Also, the gates can be opened or closed simultaneously or at a maximum difference of 10 seconds from each other, or only one of the two gates can be opened. In the event of detecting an obstacle that intervenes during opening or closing, the gates stop.